there's been over 900% growth in e-cigarettes in the US. These figures relate to the US. But in India, there has been ground reports as to how the youth have taken it as probably, and I'm using it in a very loose fashion. I don't want people to think, oh, minister said this, but it is in some places getting convinced as it's like a style statement, so people don't mind trying it. But unfortunately, just to give you a backdrop, e-cigarettes got promoted initially as a way in which people can get out of the habit of smoking cigarettes. It was to be a weaning process from using cigarettes so that people can get out of the habit of cigarette smoking. If you do this, gradually you can come out. But reports say, not me, reports say that actually many people are no longer using it as a weaning step away from cigarette smoking. They do a bit of cigarette, they also do a bit of e-cigarette, if they are already smokers of cigarettes. There are some who are probably getting into the habit because it seems cool. Because it seems cool, I just want to show you how simply and how easy these gadgets are. And as a result, it doesn't take much of an effort. You don't have to have a matchstick, you don't have to light it in that sense. If your e-cigarette equipments are so well charged like your mobile phone, you can just, this is all that you carry. And this is the little lead which you can use in your computers to charge. The cartridge that they use, cartridge that they use can be used and thrown away. You can get a fresh cartridge and fill it in. So it's like a pen. So the cartridge can be filled in every now and then. Or if you're traveling and you don't think you have the cartridges, you use it like a disposable ball pen. Use it and throw it away. You can have one more. So it's become very, very simple. There are several models available in the market, none of which are produced in India. None of which are produced in India. And as a result, this is also one, even very small, even very compact. It is believed that there are more than, ma'am, please do correct me, more than 400 brands. And even more important, none of which is manufactured yet in India, but even more important, they come in over 150 flavors, chocolate, strawberry, mint, and anything else. So it's become very cool to try it, to use it. It is odorless. As a result, somebody who smokes a cigarette, you will probably smell even after he throws away the cigarette. But with e-cigarettes, you don't even get the odor. So, one important aspect is the smoke which is exhaled by these end delivery of nicotine, the smoke which is exhaled by the user of e-cigarette contains very high level of residual nicotine, which for people around standing as passive smokers who probably accidentally, collaterally, inhale that, will affect them badly too. So the impact of e-cigarettes, although it appears cool, has already caused a lot of concern in the US and many Western countries. So in the United States, till yesterday, there have been 7 deaths reported directly linked to e-cigarettes. Of course, many people, and the clip that I'm showing you also will say, the long-term impact of e-cigarettes is yet to be scientifically established, meaning the direct impact of e-cigarettes. In the USA, already 7 deaths have happened which are directly linked with e-cigarettes. So the cabinet rightly thought it's time that we immediately took a decision so that the health of our citizens, of our young, is not really thrown to a risk. So the cabinet has approved. The clip will show you the danger in 2 film little shots. But the course that the cabinet has advised us to take is to take an ordinance immediately, considering the seriousness of the impact of this e-cigarettes on the people, on the health of people. So there will be an ordinance subject to, of course, the Rashtrapati clearing it. So an ordinance will be passed, and we hope to take this matter in the next session of the Parliament.